Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the mic not working while playing the Fortnite game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I completely suggest you, if you are using Discord, make sure you completely turn it off while playing the Fortnite game, because it is one of the game for voice chat or mic not working while playing the Fortnite. Nextly is try to launch the game after connecting to a VPN device. After connecting to a VPN, you can again go back and turn off the VPN, but make sure during the connection your VPN must be turned on. And thirdly is right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now whatever your Wi-Fi connection is, just right click, choose the option properties, and here uncheck the option IPv6, which is Internet Protocol version 6. If it is check mark like this, go ahead and uncheck it. Then hit the OK button. Now go ahead and launch the game to fix out the issue of mic not working. If this failed to work out, in next step, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, make sure to choose the option download and install. Nextly is in this left pane, click on the option privacy and security, scroll down and click on the option microphone, and here make sure the microphone access must be turned on. And thirdly is click on this time and language option. From here, click on the option date and time. Now under the set time automatically, go ahead, turn it off. After turning it off, from the time zone, you need to manually select your default time zone, whichever is available right over here. After selecting the default time zone, you can again go ahead and turn it on. Once you have done these changes also, launch the game to fix out the issue of Fortnite mic not working. If both the method fails, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, open the Epic Games and you need to launch the Fortnite game. Now after launching the game, click on your icon and from here click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. Now under the settings, you need to open the sound settings. Now in this left pane, click on the option voice chat. From here under the voice chat, make sure it must be chosen as everybody. Now nextly is you will find the option of voice chat input device. From here, three options are available: default device, microphone and microphone array. From here, you need to choose your actual device. To find your actual device, click on start menu and type control panel, open it, click on the option sounds, click on recording tab, and here you will find your default device. For example, at my end, it is microphone Realtek audio, which is my default device. So under the settings, under the voice chat input option, I'll go ahead and choose microphone Realtek audio is my default device. Once it is done, hit the apply option. Now go ahead, go back and launch the game, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Fortnite mic not working. Now if this failed to work out, again you need to go to the settings menu, again open the audio settings and click on voice chat, and from here first of all you need to turn off the voice chat completely, then hit the apply option. Once you turn it off, again open control panel, click on the option sounds over here. Under the recording tab, whichever your default mic is, suppose at my end it is microphone, except this device you need to disable all other devices. Right click and simply choose the option disable. Same way you need to do with second and last one also. After disabling all the remaining devices, click on this playback icon, and again from here whichever your default device is, which is written right over here, except your default device, you need to right click on each of the device and choose the option disabled. Once you are disabled, under the playback and recording tab, hit OK. Now again launch the Fortnite and in voice chat option, go ahead and turn it on. Choose the option everybody, hit apply, go back and launch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Fortnite mic not working. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.